What if I told you there's a simple leaf that could potentially revolutionize your health? A natural remedy sitting right in your backyard or local market that most people completely ignore. Guava leaves aren't just another trendy health fad. They're a scientifically backed powerhouse packed with more health benefits than most prescription medications. From managing blood sugar to fighting inflammation, these unassuming green leaves hold secrets that could transform your wellness journey. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal some surprising health benefits that'll make you see guava leaves in a completely different light. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at this plant the same way again. Guavas are often called a superfruit. This humble fruit might look simple on the outside, but it's packed with powerful nutrients that can work wonders for your body. Whether you've enjoyed guavas as a quick snack, a refreshing juice, or part of a tropical dessert, this delicious fruit is more than just a treat. It's a health powerhouse that deserves some serious attention. One of the biggest benefits of guavas is their incredible vitamin content. They're loaded with vitamin C, packing in more than 4 times the amount you'd find in an orange. This makes guavas a natural way to boost your immune system, keeping you strong and ready to fight off colds and infections. And that's not all. Guavas are also rich in fiber, which is fantastic for your digestion and helps you feel full longer, making them a great option for weight management. But guavas aren't just about health, they bring a touch of versatility to your diet too. From smoothies and salads to jams and savoury dishes, there are so many ways to enjoy this fruit. Plus, they're affordable, widely available, and perfect for people of all ages. So let's find out the benefits of the guava tree, including the leaves, and how they can improve your life and health. Let's talk about the first incredible benefit of guava leaves, their superhero-level antioxidant power. Imagine your body is like a city, and free radicals are destructive invaders constantly trying to break down your cellular infrastructure. Guava leaves are like an elite defense force, packed with molecular warriors that fight these damaging invaders. Scientists have discovered something amazing. These little green leaves are loaded with powerful compounds that can neutralize up to 75% of harmful free radicals. That's like having a microscopic army protecting every single one of your cells from damage. The secret weapons? Compounds with scientific names like quercetin and camphorol. But here's what really matters. These compounds can potentially slow down aging, protect your heart, and even reduce the risk of serious diseases. Think of guava leaves as your body's natural protection shield. 1 cup of guava leaf tea could be giving you more cellular defense than most expensive supplements. And the best part? It's completely natural, straight from nature's pharmacy. That's just the start. Let's talk about your gut, that complex system that's basically your body's command center for health. Guava leaves are a powerful ally for your digestive system. Research has shown these leaves can help stop diarrhea, reduce intestinal inflammation, and even fight harmful bacteria in your gut. Studies have demonstrated that compounds in guava leaves can actually prevent the growth of certain dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus. It's like having a natural antibiotic that doesn't come with the side effects of traditional medications, the ideal herbal remedy. But here's what most people miss. A healthy gut isn't just about avoiding stomach problems. It's connected to your immune system, your mood, and even your brain function. By supporting your digestive health, guava leaves could be doing way more than you realize. Traditional medicine has used these leaves for centuries to treat digestive issues. Now, modern science is proving what healers have known all along. Nature often has the most powerful solutions. Now, the issue that plagues so many of us. Weight loss is a battle many of us fight, but guess what? Guava leaves might just be your secret weapon in that battle. These leaves aren't a magic solution, but science shows they can seriously boost your metabolism. Research indicates that guava leaf extract can block complex carbohydrates from converting into sugar, essentially helping prevent fat storage. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people drinking guava leaf tea experienced significant reductions in body weight and fat. The compounds in these leaves can help reduce appetite, increase fat burning, and improve your body's metabolic processes. But here's the real deal. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about supporting your body's natural weight management systems. Combined with a healthy diet and exercise, guava leaves could be that extra edge you've been looking for. Your metabolism is about to get a natural but serious upgrade. Now what about that vital organ in your chest? Your heart is more than just a pump. It's the engine of your entire body. And guava leaves might be the maintenance crew it's been waiting for. Cardiovascular disease remains a leading killer worldwide, but these simple leaves could be a game changer. Research shows guava leaf extract can significantly lower bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing your risk of heart disease. A landmark study found that regular consumption of guava leaf tea can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the type that leads to dangerous plaque buildup in your arteries. It's like a natural cleansing system for your cardiovascular network. The antioxidants in these leaves don't just protect your heart. They help reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and support overall heart health. Prevention isn't just about what you avoid. It's about what you actively do to protect yourself. Want to give your heart the natural support it deserves? Try guava leaves! Everyone wants to boost their immune system because it's your body's defense force. And guava leaves are like special ops troops ready to supercharge its performance. These leaves aren't just another herbal remedy. They're packed with antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections. Scientific research has shown guava leaf extract can neutralize harmful bacteria and viruses, potentially reducing your chances of getting sick. Studies reveal that the compounds in guava leaves can inhibit the growth of dangerous pathogens like E. coli and Staphylococcus. They don't just fight infection, they help strengthen your body's natural defense mechanisms. The key is in the leaf's unique blend of compounds like quercetin and other polyphenols. These work together to support your immune cells, helping them respond faster and more effectively to potential threats. And now the big C word that everyone dreads. Can guava leaves play a part in that? Yes, cancer is the battle no one wants to fight, and guava leaves might just offer a powerful natural defense. Emerging research suggests these leaves contain compounds that could potentially interrupt cancer cell growth. Scientists have discovered that certain polyphenols in guava leaves can actually trigger apoptosis, essentially telling dangerous cells to self-destruct. Laboratory studies have shown promising results, particularly with breast and prostate cancer cells. The leaves contain unique compounds that can potentially prevent cancer cells from multiplying and spreading. Let's be clear, this isn't a cure, but it's powerful evidence that nature might hold keys to prevention we're only beginning to understand. These aren't just leaves, they're potentially life-saving molecular warriors. Dealing with menstrual cramps? Guava leaves might be your new best friend. Scientific research has revealed something incredible. Guava leaf extract can significantly reduce menstrual pain. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that the leaves contain compounds that can help relax uterine muscles, potentially reducing the intensity of painful contractions. The key is in the leaf's natural anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds like quercetin work to calm muscle spasms and reduce pain. Unlike over-the-counter medications, this is a natural approach that addresses the root cause of menstrual discomfort. Clinical studies have shown that women who consumed guava leaf tea experienced up to 40% reduction in menstrual pain intensity. It's not just about masking the pain, it's about providing real relief. Want a natural way to make those difficult days more manageable? Guava leaves might just be your secret weapon. Now let's not forget this important point. Guava leaves might be a secret weapon against diabetes. Imagine your body's blood sugar like a roller coaster, constant ups and downs that can wreak havoc on your health. What if these tiny leaves could be like a stabilization system, helping to keep that roller coaster smooth and controlled? Research has shown that guava leaf extract can actually help lower blood sugar levels. How? These leaves work almost like a natural medication, helping your body process glucose more effectively. They can potentially reduce sugar absorption in your bloodstream and improve insulin sensitivity. In multiple scientific studies, people drinking guava leaf tea saw significant drops in their blood sugar levels. We're talking about a natural solution that could help manage one of the most challenging health conditions of our time. But here's the real kicker. This isn't just about managing diabetes. It's about preventing it. About giving your body a natural defense mechanism against a disease that affects millions worldwide. Now, let's talk about how to turn these powerful leaves into your new health weapon, guava leaf tea. First things first, you want fresh young guava leaves, not the old brown ones hanging around. Wash them thoroughly, like you're preparing a gourmet meal. For each cup, grab 5 to 10 leaves and boil them for about 10-15 minutes. If you're using dried leaves, it's even easier. Just steep 1 to 2 teaspoons in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and you're good to go. Want to make it taste better? Add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon. But here's the important part. Not all leaves are created equal. Always source your leaves from untreated pesticide-free trees. And before you go all in, check with your healthcare provider. Pro tip, start slow. 1 to 2 cups a day is your sweet spot. Your body needs time to adjust to this natural powerhouse. Ready to brew your way to better health? Please do remember that this information is educational, not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Now, what about your experiences? Have you tried guava leaf tea? What benefits did you notice? Share your story in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their wellness journey. Last thing before you go, YouTube thinks you will enjoy the video currently showing on your screen, so check it out. Let us know if it was relevant to you or not. Stay informed, stay healthy.